So yesterday we looked at equivalent fractions and what they are and what we can use to help us. We had shapes of equal size with different numerators and denominators to find our equivalent fractions and also our fraction rule. So let's have a quick reminder. What is an equivalent fraction? Equivalent fractions are fractions with different numerators and denominators that represent the same value or proportion of the whole. So we've still got our fraction rule here to help us at any point if we need it. So if I wanted to find out what is equal to 1/4, I've got my 1/4 here. If I want to find out what is equal, I will go down the line. And I can find that it matches eighths. There are 2/8 here that equal my quarter. So today we're going to be looking at our think questions and how we might answer them. So here is our first one. Charlie is investigating equivalent fractions. He says 2/3 is equivalent to 11 over 18. We've got two bars. One is already shaded for us. The other is not. Is he correct? Explain your answer. So when we're doing our think questions, we need to make sure that we answer it, we've got our proof, and we have our explanation. So first of all, we need to work out what the answer is. We need to see if 2/3 are equivalent to 11/8. So our 2/3 have been shaded for us. 2 parts have been shaded out of 3. So now we need to do our 11/18. Our bar has got 18 parts, and now we need to shade 11. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, with my blue box around for my shading. So now I need to see if this matches my 2/3. I'm going to follow my line up, and I can see that Charlie is incorrect because there is a lesser amount in my 18ths than my thirds. So my answer will be Charlie is incorrect. 2/3 is not equivalent to 11/18. Then I have my proof where I have done my shading to show that 2/3 is not equivalent to 11/18. I then need to do my explanation. So I know this because equivalent fractions are equal to the same size or amount of the whole, and 11/18 has a smaller quantity than 2/3. So now we've done one, let's have a look at another. Convince me that 2/5 is equal to 4/10. Again, we have one bar already done for us. Our 2/5 have been shaded, so 2 parts of my 5 have been shaded to show 2/5. However, my 10ths bar has not been. So again, with this question, we need to make sure we answer it, prove it, and explain my answer. So again, my proof would be to shade the bar. So here it's telling me from my numerator that I need to shade 4 parts out of my 10. So again here I have got my rectangle round my 4 parts shaded. I now need to see if it's equivalent. If I go up and follow my line, I can see that the same amount has been shaded. So my answer, 2/5 is equivalent to 4/10. I have my proof of my shaded rectangle to show that they are the same length. My explanation would be I know this because 2/5 and 4/10 equal to the same size or amount of the whole, which makes an equivalent fraction. So now it's time for you to have a go at your questions. If you have already done the think questions, have a look back and see if you have answered it, proved it, and explained it. If you haven't, here's your chance to have a go. Try as many questions as you can, but don't worry if you get stuck on explore or solve. Just try your best. That's all we can ask for. However, in your questions from yesterday that you had a go at, I made a marvellous mistake. In Think 2, some of you had noticed that the second fraction was wrong. Here I have now corrected it for today's questions. It should be 8/12, not 12 over 8. So that has been changed today. So if you were confused by that yesterday, you can give that another go today. Give it your best shot, and I'm sure you will be fine. Any questions, just put it in our Teams chat. Good luck!